have a snow day today in the Lake District, as you can probably see from behind me. I've been up here for 3 days, I've got another 2, and this morning I woke up to snow and kind of crazy forecasts. It's definitely not the weather that you want to be hiking any big hikes or big mountains in today. It's just a shame because it's not like clear blue skies, like a bluebird day would have been lovely, but it's kind of blizzardy, windy conditions, not good conditions to be doing any big hikes in. Roads are fine though, so I have just driven across the road because I'm staying in Thirlmere at the King's Head Inn Hotel, lovely hotel if you're looking for somewhere to stay, and right opposite is Raven Crag, right up there as you can see. One of my favourite little hikes in the Lake District. It's only about 400 metres. I've done it maybe 4 or 5 times. I know the route very well. It is steep, but it's a short and steep one. There's like a really magical boardwalk through the trees and through the forest. And honestly, it's a hike that you have to do all times of year. It's amazing in the snow, it's amazing in summer with the views, and it's beautiful in spring and autumn with like the colours of the trees and the leaves and stuff around the boardwalk. It's one of my favourites, so I'll take you up there, we'll see what it's like in the snow today, and then we'll try and do it again in the summer. Ready! So there's a really small car park at Raven Crag. If you ever do this hike, I would get here early. This is probably fits about 8 cars. I think you can go further down the road and there's laybys down there, it just means a bit more walking, but come here early if you want to park there, and then the start is this gate right opposite, and I'll share the route and the directions for this hike in the video description. Look at these views, so pretty. So once you pass through those gates, you are off the worst hilly bit, and now you're heading up through the forest. It's such a beautiful path through here. This has got to be one of my favourite ever, like, forest trails, I think. Look at that view! Oh my god, this is one of the best views in the Lake District. Look at that! That's Thirlmere Reservoir. So happy right now, just me alone in what feels like the whole world. Caramel latte. I'm toasty warm because I've got all my layers on, and this view. Well, that was the absolute best morning. So that's Raven Crag. I really hope you make it up here. I will share the information in the description. As always, make sure you check the weather reports. Make sure you have packed all your kit and you're safe and prepared. Okay, place your bets. How many times I'm going to fall over on the way down? I'm going to say twice. I'm not going to go too high, but I'm going to say I'm going to slip twice. We'll see. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, it would mean the world. It would really support my channel, and also go find me on Instagram and TikTok. I post way more stuff there. It's Grace's Adventures on, yeah, all social media platforms. And it would really mean a lot if you could follow me and subscribe. But thank you for watching and happy hiking. Every time.